Let's begin. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. With tall but relaxed posture, place your hands in your lap or at your sides. Gently close your eyes. Breathe deeply in and out. Breathe in positivity. Breathe out negativity. Visualize yourself in this moment. Notice how your body expands and contracts with your breath. In and out. Ground yourself in this moment. Focus on yourself in the here and now. As thoughts or feelings arise within you, observe them briefly without judgment. Let them go and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Now, visualize yourself standing at the foot of a magnificent mountain. View the summit clearly in your mind. Begin to climb, feeling a sense of determination and clarity with each step. As you ascend, make each step intentional, drawing in your surroundings and driving upward. Feel the joy of each step, surrounded by beauty and drawing closer to the summit with each step. Imagine yourself reaching the summit. You are surrounded by a breathtaking panorama. Feel the sense of accomplishment and peace. Take a moment to soak in this feeling of success. Breathe in and out. Now start your descent back into the world, carrying with you the sense of abundance, gratitude, and clarity. With each step down the mountain, feel yourself more grounded and more connected to the essence of your journey and with your intentions. As you retrace your steps back down the mountain, notice the trees around you, the flowers, and the smell of the surroundings with deep appreciation and clarity. Follow the path of a small stream, feeling more at peace with your thoughts as they flow like the water down the hill. Now, we will introduce a mantra. This is a phrase you will repeat to yourself, becoming the words with each repetition. As you breathe in, silently say to yourself, "I am capable." As you breathe out, silently say, "I am strong." Breathe in with acceptance and resilience. Breathe out with understanding and resolve. Repeat the mantra in your head as you breathe, slowly in and out in rhythm. Feel the words resonate in you, Feel the rhythm become a part of you. Let this rhythm of resilience and strength guide you into a deeper state of meditation. Visualize the air you breathe in and out as a connection to all living beings. We all breathe the same air. This is something we all must share. Now imagine yourself an expansive field of tall grass extending to the horizon in front of you. Breathe in the smell of the grass as it moves in the wind. Notice a single large tree off in the distance. Walk to the tree, breathing in clean, crisp air as you go. As you approach the tree, notice a golden halo of fresh air radiating from the tree. The tree is working silently in the sun, offering this golden gift to you. Look around you and notice this same golden color rising from the tall grass, drifting up like mist on the water, filling the air around you. Breathe in this golden light slowly, in and out. Allow each breath to fill you with golden light. Notice how birds in the tree, chirping beautifully, glow softly with golden light. Notice a beautiful butterfly drifting above the tall grass, also glows with golden light. Embrace that your health and well-being is connected to the golden glow of everything around you. Let this feeling of connection expand your awareness. All life is connected. Visualize this golden light expanding from you across fields, across streams, across mountains, across oceans, connecting you to all things. Slowly begin to bring your attention back to the room. Take a few deep breaths, feeling more grounded and connected. As you prepare to conclude this meditation, set an intention to carry these insights into your daily interactions. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Welcome movement back into your body. Slowly rotate your head around in gentle circles. Now open your eyes, taking a moment to notice how you feel. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May peace and love be with you.